Good morning, everybody. Today is Vlogmas day number 18. Thank you guys for who's continued to watch my craziness. A lot of you guys are liking my vlogs. It keeps me motivated. Sorry, I'm like sit right in the sunlight, but it keeps me motivated, you know, to keep up. My goal was really to get my house cleaned and the main floor. I think maybe after the craziness, I'm gonna start going through the kids' clothes because Charlotte's now almost not in 6 months anymore. You okay? Yeah? Charlotte's eating broccoli, so I'm gotta stand right next to her. But, yeah, I want to go through her clothes and make sure she's, you know, pack them up, get rid of them, because we're not having any more babies after this. So, I've been keeping the place clean. Like, I cleared off the kitchen table this morning, actually. I got a couple things that I gotta wrap at the end of the table. I cleared off a lot of the countertop. I just gotta put some stuff away. This is for Ben's school, which I have to get that all packed up for school tomorrow. The floor is just, you know, it's non-stop, but it's just easy stuff, so I'm just going to pick that stuff up. I have to go to my old job today and pick up my Christmas gift. They owe me some Christmas money, and so they're looking into it, and they're going to call me back. So I want that, because every year that you've been there, you get, like, money for Christmas, and they said if you were employed as November 11th, you get the Christmas money. Well, I put my 2 weeks notice in, you know, 3 weeks ago today, and they said I might not get it. And I'm like, well, the memo that they sent out said if everybody's working November 11th, you get it. So if it doesn't happen, I'm going to be very mad, because that's the reason why I stayed at Menards so long. So, yeah. Say hi, everybody. I'm eating broccoli. Yeah. Just chewing on it. Feels good on my gums. Yeah. So I'm just going to let her chew on some broccoli, and then I'm going to give her some baby food. But I just do this thing called baby-led weaning. Everybody does their thing. Everybody does it differently. But I feed her mostly baby food, and then I kind of give her like a finger food a day. She had carrots like last week. So working on it. But I had broccoli last night. I had leftovers, so I thought this is perfect for her because it's soft enough for her to eat, chew on it. She's mostly making a mess than eating it. But yeah. Ben will be home in about 30 minutes, and I haven't yet to eat. I've been up since 6 o'clock this morning. Charlotte kept me up all night, but it is now 10:42. I have yet to eat anything, you guys. Like, I kind of like the depression pills that I'm on, because it really controls my appetite, which is kind of a good thing, because there for a while there I just eat because I'm bored. But, you know, now it's like I only eat maybe a snack. I have breakfast, maybe a snack. Now I don't even know if I have lunch, and then I have dinner, and then maybe a snack. So like I'm liking it, because it's just, it helps me about a little bit, because I'm really bad and I kind of need to lose some weight. I need to lose about 40 pounds. So yeah, I'm not really pushing it, but I'm just, you know, kind of eat a little bit less, you know, stop with the binge eating like I used to. But yeah, so then I might go to the mall, because I found out I had another coupon to use for Victoria's Secret, and I hate to let it go to waste. Like, I just don't want it to go to waste. So I'm probably going to go there today, and then I have to go to Target because I want to get my mom another gift. And I forgot I had a spend $25 you get $5 off coupon that they mailed to me, so I definitely am going to take advantage of that. But yeah, so it's just going to be a good day. I'm going to wait till we get the mail before I leave the house, because there's been people that have been taking mail out of people's mailboxes and opening them up because they think there's money in them, which I think that's a really shady thing to do, and I wish karma would come back at them. But there was a bunch of neighbors, a neighbor found a bunch of packages in people's mail over on this walking trail that's over in our backyard, but down a ways. And somebody's like, yeah, just all their Christmas cards that people sent to them were just completely ruined because somebody is so desperate to get money. It's like, I think that's so sad how I have to sit here and stay home to make sure I get my mail, because I don't want anybody, you know. And I kind of live down in not like a cul-de-sac, but I live down at the end of the neighborhood. So not many people, you know, do anything around here, but you can't trust anybody these days, you guys. It's so bad out there. One video you guys really need to look for is this guy named Mark Roper, whatever. He made a glitter bomb package for porch pirates. Definitely check that out. It is hilarious. You want more nummies? You want more nummies? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to feed her some more, probably give her some baby food, but definitely check that video out. It is hilarious, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, Benjamin's ready to do a stunt. Whoa, do it again.
Okay.
Be careful, don't go on the road. Whoa, so cool. It is cold outside. Miss Charlotte's like, get me inside, I want to be. Okay, you guys, Ben wants to show you the chocolates. We're kind of getting bored with the chocolates because why are we getting bored with the chocolates?
We will like it.
Yeah. So Ben's just picking whatever number he wants. Need help? Picking number 23 for the day.
I'm gonna open number 29.
Okay. Need help?
After I.
Oh.
What's this?
It's the pig. Okay, so let's just let's open the other ones, okay? Okay, we're doing number 18 today. So it's this one right here. Ooh, it's another Santa or another Christmas one, and it's Santa Claus. It looks like
It's Santa Thomas.
he's like got like a weird face, like a never seen that one. But yeah, it is number 1. So it's Thomas dressed as Santa. That's really cool. Okay, so today is number 18. So where's 1-8? I don't even see it. Okay, there it is. La la la.
No, it's 7 and 8. No, it's 7 and 1.
Okay, what do we got?
Wreck-It Ralph
Wreck-It Ralph!
breaks the internet.
Is it Wreck-It Ralph breaks the internet, or is it just Wreck-It Ralph?
It's Wreck-It Ralph breaks the internet.
Let me see. Yes, it is. Good job. There you go. Okay, you guys, so it is time to go to bed. We just didn't bring you with because it's so hard for me to go to the mall, but Ben has Christmas tomorrow with his teachers, so I ended up making some gifts for them. I'm just giving them a candle from Bath and Body Works, and then I got them like a mug with hot chocolate in there. They're doing cookie decorating, so I'm giving, they needed some frosting, and then Ben wants to hand out some candy canes too.
And then Pop-Tarts.
Yeah, Pop-Tarts, you guys. He wants to hand those out to his friends at school, so I'm like, okay, so we're gonna.
I'm like, Jacob is my best friend. He's not my best friend.
Okay, but we're gonna drop him off at school tomorrow. Yeah, so, but yeah, so as we're at the mall today, we were about to leave, and I always park at,
Peanut butter jelly time.
I always park at JCPenney's, and we were about to leave, and this guy was talking on the phone, and he was super loud, and then he, like, steps back, and he's hiding, like, in the clothing, but he keeps looking at me, and there's been a lot of, like, people, like, saying that there's trafficking going around, so I'm just like, okay, he either is talking to somebody, whatever, but he's talking super loud, or he's up to no good, because he kept staring at me, and then he's, like, backing up and hiding. So then I'm like, okay, Ben, let's just go look at something else, because if he is following me, I could figure it out if he's watching me, but he wasn't. So I'm like, okay, we'll see, you know, we'll see if he's gonna follow me. Well, he's just talking up a storm on his phone. He was just had a Bluetooth in his ear. But then I saw a bunch of ladies outside, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna run outside real quick. So I'm like, Ben, hurry up, get to the van, let's go. He's like, why? I says, just get to the van. So I get the kids in the van. Ben knows how to put a seatbelt on. And then I leave my car door open because I gotta put the stroller in the back of the van. So I leave the car door open.
Thank you for letting me use this box.
Okay. So I leave the door open just in case something happens, so I can just throw, you know, the stroller in the trunk and then just hightail it out of there. But nothing happened. Benjamin, please. But nothing happened. But there has been, I've seen 3 people post on Facebook of this group that I'm in with all the local moms, and I've seen people say that, you know, they've been followed. So just gotta take precautions. So if you guys are, you know, ever going to some places, I always try to go during the daytime. I hate shopping when it's dark outside, and I always look at my surroundings. I'm a people watcher, so I can always.
I like shopping in the dark.
You like shopping in the dark?
What today is?
I don't know yet. But so always just, you know, be aware of your surroundings. I'm a people watcher, so I just like to see what is going on. So tomorrow, you know, is Ben's last day at school before Christmas break. So we're going to go hang out with him. Then I have to bring Graham some food. I'm going to do a couple videos to post for the next couple days. But other than that, yeah. Ben, don't draw on that.
I'm doing number 8 and 1.
Okay, thank you. We got a Hot Wheels.
And then that's today, and that's tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Actually, this is today right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And number...
That's Christmas right there. That's Christmas that you just circled. There you go.
And that's tomorrow.
Okay, no more markers because it's going through on the other side. So don't do any more markers, okay?
Yeah, we need markers.
Okay.
Yeah, that's like for the.
Okay, so we're gonna. I say okay a lot because you guys can tell I have a little
No,
kid and it annoys me. But we are gonna go get ready for bed. It is 7:17, so the kids are gonna be both going to bed in the next couple minutes. Charlotte's super tired, so I just gotta get her pajamas on, and yeah. So if you guys enjoy this, you guys know what to do. Thumbs up this video, and thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.
And this